If you're into Shopify dropshipping and you're wanting to create video ads for Facebook, but you don't want to invest a penny on creating these video ads, then keep watching this video. What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I share everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now, in today's video, you are on a special treat because I'm gonna actually help you save a lot of money and also get better results with your Shopify dropshipping ads with Facebook. But before I get into this, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. So when it comes to e-commerce, Shopify, and dropshipping, it really all boils down into the product. And I've talked about this multiple times on the criteria of the products that you need in order for you to actually sell and make money with it. And one of the most important criteria is a product that can be demonstrated in front of your consumers. After all, people actually want to buy products that solve a problem or buy products that they want. And when it comes to e-commerce, it is super important that if you can actually showcase the power and the importance of the product, chances for consumers to buy are going to be very high. Now, don't get me wrong. Image ads can work well, but videos can really paint the picture into the consumer's mind on how they are going to be using the product. After all, this is why people on YouTube watch YouTubers do unboxing videos and reviews on particular products because they wanted to know how the product looks and how it's really being used. And you want to use that same selling technique when it comes to selling with your Shopify dropshipping business, especially when you are advertising on Facebook. Because as people are scrolling through the newsfeed, you want to actually interrupt them with motion, which in this case, video works really well. And most importantly, you also need to showcase how your product is going to solve the problem or how your product is being used so that the consumer actually wants to go to your website to buy that product. However, the big problem comes up. Creating product video ads are expensive. And most importantly, you gotta make sure that you order the product, get a videographer, and actually have everything all done in a way where you want. And when it comes to Shopify dropshipping, the beauty is that we get to actually keep our costs to the absolute minimal when we want to go in market to make money online. So with that, a lot of dropshippers that are starting out, they avoid doing videos because they just don't have the resource. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you one simple hack that you can actually start grabbing these videos for your product and start running Facebook ads right away without you paying a penny for these video ads. And instead of me just telling you how to do it, I'm going to actually jump over to my screen to show you exactly how to do this. All right, so we're back to our computer right now, and the first thing that we're going to do is simply go to aliexpress.com. After all, that's where we are going to be sourcing our products for our drop shipping store. So once we're on aliexpress.com and you do your product research, and let's say that I'm just going to randomly find a product, which is the massage gun, and I click on one of the listings. Now, you'll find that there are actually more and more products now that have videos that you can watch to learn more about the product itself. Well, guess what? Since that we're drop shipping this product, we can essentially just hijack this video. But the problem comes here. We can't just save this video to actually use it for our video ad. What can we do? It's very simple. You gotta be on Firefox browser. And when you're on the AliExpress product page, you can simply click on the right click and then click on inspect. What will happen is that it will actually pull out this developer tool. And what you want it to do is to actually, when you hover over it, you'll see at the back of the screen that things are being colored. You want to basically find specifically, I'm just going to keep scrolling down and you'll see this little dots over here that you got to basically untoggle to expand on it. And you will find something called the video wrap right here. So once you actually find the video wrap, you'll actually see an MP4 file. So when you double click on it, you can simply just grab the URL, and then in your Firefox browser, just go to the URL and you will automatically be able to actually see this video directly on your browser. Then all you gotta do is simply just right click and save as video and save it to your desktop, and now you actually have this video on your hard drive that you can actually start using for your video ad, just like this over here. So in a nutshell, you don't even actually have to invest or spend a lot of money for videographers to create these product video ads for you to start testing your product to go into Facebook ads. You can simply just go to aliexpress.com, find the specific product listing that have the video, and use this simple hack. Now, here's another quick tip for you. If you're selling products from aliexpress.com and you're unable to find products with videos on it through aliexpress.com and you don't want to pay for videographers, here's one tip for you. You can actually go to alibaba.com, and I can tell you, majority of products on alibaba.com actually has a video. So I'm going to randomly just select a video over here, a product over here. No, I'm not going to go into here. I'm just going to randomly select a product over here. Trending now. Let's see what this is. And you'll see, obviously, there's a video. But again, you can't be saving the video. So you can use the same hack by right-clicking, go to inspect, and then we're going to basically start toggling down all these area. And we're going to look specifically for the video. So when we keep toggling. So you'll see the color box over there. And then the video thumb. And now I actually have the MP4. Okay. So BC video player, that's the div class. And here I'll have the link. I can simply copy this link. Just gonna copy the entire link. And now if I open up a new browser, guess what? I can download this video right onto my desktop once again. So again, now you can actually test products much quicker without creating your own video ad. All right, there you have it. As I said, all you have to do is simply just find the product listing, use my simple hack to download the video, and actually use that video in your ads. And it's important that you do this as quickly as possible, because after all, the more products you're able to test with ads, the quicker you're able to find that one winning product that can actually scale to 6 or even 7 figures and beyond. And listen, if you enjoyed this video and if you learned a thing or two, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I have a brand new tip, you're gonna get notified right away. Now, before I let you go, listen, if you're looking for additional help and you want access to our entire dropshipping blueprint that is designed to help you generate sales in 21 days or less, listen, right in the video description right down below, you'll actually see a link to my Shopify approved e-com challenge. And the best part is that it will only cost you $20, where my team and I are gonna help you in the next 21 days to build, grow, and scale your e-commerce business, even if you are a total beginner. So make sure you look for the link right in the video description right down below. Other than that, my goal is to continuously record more tips, insiders, and secrets for you to actually make more money online with an online business. So make sure that once again, you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I have a new video, you're gonna get notified right away. Till next time.